Making vegetable pizza at home is a delicious and healthy option. Here's a simple recipe to guide you through the process. Ingredients: pizza dough, store-bought or homemade. Tomato sauce or pizza sauce. Mozzarella cheese, shredded. Assorted vegetables, such as bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, olives, spinach, etc., thinly sliced or chopped. Olive oil, salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, optional, red pepper flakes, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to the temperature specified on the pizza dough package or to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius, if using homemade dough. Roll out the pizza dough on a lightly floured surface into your desired pizza shape and thickness. Transfer it to a baking sheet or pizza stone. Spread a layer of tomato sauce or pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges for the crust. Sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Now it's time to add your vegetable toppings. Arrange them evenly over the cheese layer. You can use a combination of vegetables or focus on your favorites. Drizzle a little olive oil over the vegetables. Season with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning to taste. If you like some heat, sprinkle some red pepper flakes on top. Place the pizza in the preheated oven and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once cooked, remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade vegetable pizza. Feel free to customize this recipe to your liking. You can experiment with different vegetables, cheeses, and seasonings to create your own unique flavor combinations.